Today we're going to show you how to do a basic oil change. You loosen up the oil filter, which is located on the passenger side. Once it's loose, you want to grab your new one. You make sure you lube up the gasket on the oil filter. Then you screw the new one on. Second step on changing the oil change, you want to loosen up your drain plug. It's a size 17 millimeter drain plug located underneath the vehicle. So loosen it up and the oil will come out. Third part of the oil change is you want to add oil in the dipstick, which is the fill cap located on the passenger side. Loosen it up, the cap will come off. That's the drain fill plug. And with a funnel, go ahead and add oil. This Massimo 500 takes 2.5 quarts of oil.